Okay, here we are, about to do some unboxing for Live TV. As you can see, we're going to be unboxing the MX Keys for Mac, the Master Series by Logitech. Aren't we lucky? Okay, let's try and do this with one hand as usual. And it's going to be super impossible. So, let's try our very best. Aren't we lucky? Let's see. Where shall we go in? Okay. We really do need an assistant for this. Oh. Nice box, as you can see. We have some exciting information here. It tells us how to use the keys, that it's comfy, it has smart illumination, and you can use it with multiple commuters. Goodbye to that. Got a nice box. I'm liking this. Ooh. Telling you how to link it in. The keyboard itself is very light. Got a USB. Put that on the MacBook. Nothing else inside, I think. Nice. That's a not joke. I'm sure I'm okay about that. And there we have it. Compared to the usual Apple keyboard. You can see it's very similar. That.